These family members fought over property that wasn't even theirs, and when the judge tried to make sense of it, the courtroom turned into a name-calling frenzy.
Is she going to get the property?
No, she's not, Your Honor, and she's an alcoholic, and
All
Lila
right,
Bidwell
let's not
is a
cast
cokehead.
aspersions. I didn't ask you to be a character witness here.
Okay.
Jessica Chenoweth versus Carol Rayanna Pauley, 2404637. Name?
Carol Pauley.
Is Chenoweth your name?
Jessica Chenoweth. I'm here represented by my advocate, Lila Dawn Bidwell. Also, sir.
Say that again.
Jessica Chenoweth.
And who's your advocate?
Lila Dawn Bidwell. She's my power of attorney, advocate, cousin, caregiver, all the above.
I just really can't have you do that, ma'am. Just tell me your name.
Jessica Chenoweth.
No. Not you, the other lady.
Oh, fine. Right here.
Hello. Lila Dawn Bidwell.
State your name where I can hear it and understand it.
I'm sorry, Lila Dawn Bidwell.
I can't let you represent her with a power of attorney. I can't let you do that.
Well, I'm here.
Hang on.
I'm not representing you.
What is going on here? Why don't you have to leave the property? Sir, you cannot talk from back there. Why don't you have to leave the property? I'm talking to you.
To be honest, Your Honor.
Well, I want you to be honest, so you don't have to preface with that.
All right, well, I don't have to leave the property because she is not the landlord here. She does not own the home.
Who owns the home?
Who owns the home would be my great-great-grandparents. Actually, I sent you, I gave you copies of this, of my, my grandma Grace and my grandfather. Yes.
Are they alive or dead?
No, they're passed away. And as of right now, nobody owns the house. My Uncle Terry is the one that paid taxes for 3 years.
Slow down.
Okay.
So,
How do you own the property, Miss Chenoweth?
She don't.
Excuse me, sir. I do not outright. It's in probate. I am the heir inherent. My mother took care of my great grandmother.
Who's helping you probate the estate?
Brownstown. I'm concurring with Alan Hunt, legal firm.
Slow down. Mr. Hunt is helping you probate the estate. He's the probate attorney, right?
Yes, sir.
Does he know that you're doing this when you don't have proof that you're the owner, that you have not been awarded the property yet?
Yes, sir. He has all my past checks, my bank statements stating that I have been paying the bills here for a while now.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Why don't you ask him to show up here and enter an appearance for you?
Sir, can I state something, please?
No. I mean, I'll let you talk. I don't want to stop you from talking. You just got done answering your own question. You said you're not the owner of the property right now.
No,
So
I am the
enough for
proprietor
me.
paying the bills.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the owner of the property can evict, not anybody else. Are you going to be the owner of the property? Hang on. I don't know why people try to do these things on their own. You really don't. Why are you trying to handle this? Ma'am, you're looking at the ceiling. Look at me, please.
Yes,
why
sir.
are you trying to do this on your own when you're not a lawyer? Why are you, hang on. Why are you handling a messy situation like this when you don't have a clue? I mean, seriously, why don't you get the lawyer involved in this and he can come in here and he can tell me why you have the authority to have this lady evicted?
May I?
Is she going to get the property?
No, she's not, Your Honor. And she's an alcoholic. And
All
Lila
right,
Dawn Bidwell
let's not
is a
cast
cokehead.
aspersions. I didn't ask you to be a character witness here.
Okay. But
Did you hear what I said?
yes, Your Honor. She's not the owner of the property and not going to become the owner of the property.
Who is?
I would be my great dead grandparents.
Well, they're not going to be
My
owning the
mother.
property if they're deceased, ma'am.
No, they're.
Somebody else is, right?
Me.
I mean, people don't continue to own the property when they're in the ground.
Right.
Come on.
Is
Why
she-
don't you tell Mr. Hunt to show up? I'm adjourning this to January 6th at 1:15.
Your Honor, may I speak now?
Not yet. Ma'am, there is virtually nothing you can say to me that is going to cause me to enter a judgment today. You need a
There's
lawyer.
a history of
You
violence.
need a lawyer
sir.
that knows what they're doing, okay? Get a lawyer in here. Your probate lawyer can show up. He can appear by Zoom. He can tell me why you own the property or where it is in the probate process. I'm not awarding you a judgment today. You come back
Let's
here
not stop
January
paying bills and the
6th
house will go
again.
into condemnation.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you come back here January 6th. Are you in there now?
Yes,
I've
sir,
lived
I am.
there. That's
He's
my
in a-
childhood home.
Stop. Why are you two interrupting one another? What's so funny? Let me in on it. I need a laugh.
Because I'm
What are you
60
laughing
years
about?
old. She's already cracked my skull and put 7 staples in it. I'm in fear of my life. I live on life alert. I'm an amputee, and I have to deal with this, sir. I've had the
Does she
police
have a
called
case?
more
Does
in
she
the
have a
last
case?
2
Hang
months.
on. Hang on. Look her up. Look up Carol Pauley. Do you have a case pending?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
Have you ever been
She's-
Not
charged
here
with
in New
any?
York,
No,
sir.
Your Honor, she's full of lies. She's falsely stating that I would hurt her. The only thing I've ever done was
I
try
got
to give her
medical
Thanksgiving
documents.
dinner. I have a recording that I tried to give her
I need to see
Thanksgiving
her
dinner, and what she
yeah.
did was called me the bitch,
All
called
right.
me
Okay.
a
All
lot.
right. Okay. I don't see any case in our system against Ms. Pauley.
No, everything's
Because I
been
did not
dismissed,
do
sir.
it. It's a false allegation.
Stop. You guys are both talking. I cannot possibly hear both of you, and I can promise you my recorder can't pick up both of you. Listen, here's what I'm doing. I'm not going to argue about it. January 6th, 1:15. You come back here. Don't fight. If you're living together, I don't know what to tell you, but this is a mess. Get your lawyer involved, ma'am. We'll see you here then. Good luck. Thank you.
Can I?
Yeah,
say
good
No.
luck.
something?
Thank you.
There's nothing to say.
I do have a letter.
There's nothing to say. Keep the letter with you. Bring
I
it
will.
back January 6th, okay?
I'll get a copy. Can I do a copy of it for you?
You can get a copy put in the file if you want,
Yes. Your Honor.
okay? I'm
Okay.
not gonna look at it until January 6th.
Okay, thank
So you can
you.
just bring me back a copy on January 6th. How's that?
Okay.
If I'm
Did
dead
you call
before
back?
January 6th, was she
Yeah.
held accountable?
January 6th at 1:15. That's my next landlord tenant docket. Wait a minute. Folks, that's what I'm doing. I'm adjourning it to that day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You have a blessed day, Your Honor.
Thank you.